Today, we are going to test your skill in reading math sentences. You are asked to read twice, clearly, and pronounce them properly. After which, I will read the sentence but listen to them carefully how I pronounce the sentence. As a practice, you may record while reading them yourself and have them reviewed by someone to point any possible mistakes. Are you ready? This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging effective ang ating program, kailangan ng tulong ng mga magulang at mga ibang miyembro ng family. Item number 1. Kindly read the sentence twice. "121 plus 124 is equal to 245. Kindly read. Item number 2. Kindly read the sentence twice. "221 plus 123 is equal to 344. Kindly read. Item number 3. Kindly read the sentence twice. "123 plus 123 is equal to 246. Kindly read. Item number 4. Kindly read the sentence twice. "203 plus 146 is equal to 349. Kindly read. Item number 5. Kindly read the sentence twice. "230 plus 120 is equal to 350. Kindly read. Item number 6. Kindly read the sentence twice. "639 plus 244 is equal to 883. Kindly read. Item number 7. Kindly read the sentence twice. 711 plus 252 is equal to 963. Kindly read. Item number 8. Kindly read the sentence twice. $379 plus 315 is equal to 694. Kindly read. Item number 9. Kindly read the sentence twice. $419 plus 431 is equal to 830. Kindly read. Item number 10. Kindly read the sentence twice. $520 plus 456 is equal to 976. Kindly read. Congratulations, kids! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.